Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing and syncing your environment because continuity saves time. Sign in with an Apple ID, enable iCloud for contacts and calendar, and turn on desktop and document sync so files appear where you expect them. Next, run software update until the system is fully patched. Make sure to reboot. Finally, set Touch ID or Apple Watch unlock and enable File Vault to protect your drive. This prevents surprises later and keeps your workflow consistent. Once done with basics, shift the tools and habits that matter most. Install Homebrew to manage apps quickly. Use Brew Install Cask for GUI apps and Brew for CLI tools. Then customize the dock and mission control. Pin apps you use, adjust hot corners, and replicate key Windows shortcuts under keyboard shortcuts so muscle memory helps. Finally, move your documents. Connect via SMB, copy from an external drive, or use iCloud Drive. This makes the new system feel like home. To finish, polish the interface and learn fast navigation. Set Finder preferences and default apps, add mail accounts, and practice Spotlight and Quick Look for instant access. Use multi-touch gestures on the trackpad to move between spaces and windows. This speeds tasks. If something breaks, start with Safe Mode to isolate issues, then reset SMC or NVRAM. If problems persist, reinstall Mac OS after backing up. That single troubleshooting path usually restores stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.